Hello, I want to show you that I have upgraded my cable to my house for power from the generator to the house. So in a previous video I showed that I have an extension cord running through some pipes to my house, but now that that just gives me this much access to 120 volts, because my generator only provides 120 volts and it only goes to one cable that gives me only such limited outlets. So I went ahead and had an electrician install an access port to my house that can use this adapter, which fits into the L5-30R 30 amp 120 volt AC outlet. So this goes into the generator, and this side here goes into the house. But since it's so short, I can buy a cable that's maybe 100 feet from here to the meter. So that's where I have the access to the house in my previous setup. But I had the electrician install a new meter box and this access port that goes to a L14-30 amp 125 or 250 volts. So I would have to cut this cable, this clip, and open this box and switch the fuses to cut off. So remove latch, move drop, door down, move door down, open door, close door, lift door up, engage latch. So I would have to move the latch to allow the generator access to provide power to the house, but I'll have to turn off since my generator only provides 120 volts, I do not have enough power to provide to the dryer and the oven and anything like the water heater that requires 240 volts. So I will have to turn those off in the fuse box that I had and I actually had the electrician install a brand new fuse box too. So that way I can provide 125 volts, well 120 volts to the house at all of the outlets. So this is the new fuse box. It's upgraded from the one that we had that was installed about 15 years ago, and then that was slightly outdated. So now we have a new fuse box, and that's about it. So the house has an upgrade in the fuse and access to 120 volts of generator from the Westinghouse generator. Oh, and here is just a way I wired a dryer cable to my car charger. So right now it's charging my Jeep at 240 volts. So, well, that's the update on the wiring that I have at the house. So I hope this was interesting to show you that there are possibilities. My house was built in around 1964, and it's being modernized with upgrades. It's all possible. Thank you for watching.